Hey, everyone. It is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to announce a new upcoming event. This is an event that I have never done before, but I've had it in the back of my head for about a year. And you know what? February. February is a short month wherever you are around the world. It either has 28 days or 29 days, depending on the year. And it gets the short end of the stick over the whole year. Like, what is up with that? So I thought February is small, but it is mighty. So I wanted to do an event called Small But Mighty. And I reached out to some of my friends and said, "What do you think of this?" And they are like, "Yes, yes, yes, yes. Call me out and let me help you." And so I got together a grade A group, and we are diving into February to small but mighty, loving all things many. That's right, Ditzy's Diamond Den, Diamond Design Company, Amy Small, Jenny, Kupaki Art, and myself, Jennifer, with DP Addiction Adventures, for February 1st through the 28th, are hosting an event across the two channels, all our Facebook, all our Instagrams, called Small But Mighty. We are super excited, and we have some sponsors for the event. Not only is our canvas sponsor Diamond Design Company, Amy Small. Oh my gosh, she picked out the perfect set. Aren't these adorable? Of diamond paintings. They are being released as we speak. When this video goes live, race over to her site. I'm going to put it in down below. It is over on Etsy, the Diamond Design Company. And this is our featured canvas. Now, these are 9 different animals, all doing the hearts, and it's 20 by 20. You're going to love it. And I'm super excited. Mine is in the mail already, and I can't wait to get them and unbox them for you. But go out and grab them while they're hot and cute and fun. But if these cute little animals aren't up your alley, you can go over to her Etsy site. Let me make this just a little bit bigger for you guys. And she has so many mini canvases. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely adorable. And you can go and figure out which ones you want. This one's stunning too. How amazing. Like, she's got all of these different ones that you can choose from based on what your cup of tea is. I mean, seriously, anything that you would want, she's got it. So go check it out right away. You you'll absolutely love it. Absolutely. And her product is amazing and stunning. Now, you might be saying, "But Jen, I have minis." Or, "Jen, I want to support another small business." Please go and support. I know there's several of my friends who are out there who have minis as well. Um, So please, Mystical Dream Designs, I know, Rebecca Crafting and Crime Daily has them. I know Diamond Art Club does. I know there's several. Oh, Bella Art Nicole has minis. Go and check them out. But I would personally love you to do the Diamond Design Company because they are our canvas sponsor, and Amy Small is going to be here with us, right? She's part of the team. So please go check it out. Now, if you have done any events with me, you know they are very, very laid back, but lots and lots of fun and lots of prizes. And so, what do you need to do? Not much. All right. So, because it is small, it's a mini, we want you to have a new start. Now we are going the opposite direction with small but mighty. Needs to be a 20 by 30 centimeter, which is roughly 12 by 16 inches or smaller. That means you can pull out your keychains, you can pull out your coasters, you can pull out those birthday cards you've been wanting to do. This is all about smalls. Right? Small but mighty. So it needs to be 20 by 30 centimeters or smaller. It can be from any company and you can do more than one. Okay. And then in order to get a prize, you do need to register. So the Google form is down below. It's also, excuse me, going to be posted in Creative Craft Addictions and, of course, across social medias as this begins to roll out. My Facebook group, which I share with a fellow amazing diamond painter, is Creative Craft Addictions, and that's where we're going to host it. Anytime I start a new event, I start with our home base, Creative Craft Addictions, see if it takes off, and then we can always branch out into our own group next year. But that's where we're going to do it. Now, you might think, okay, do I need a special word? Do I need to post something? This is very, very laid back. Okay. So, what I usually do is I have a post per week that says, week one progress, and you can post it in the comments or you can post it at any time. You just say hashtag small but mighty 2025 or 2026. Sorry, it is January 1st when I am doing this. My brain has not clicked yet. 2026, um, and post as much as you want on Instagram. You do not have to wait for that week one, week two, week three progress post, but they will go up weekly once a week, and I'm going to schedule them. So they'll probably be up Sundays at like 6 a.m. Eastern or something like that. And then you are welcome to put it in. When you register with the Google form, you do not need to put which one you're doing. I mean, if you end up doing 17 because you're doing keychains and coasters and all of that, that's okay. If you're switching, you don't have to tell us. This is for you to enjoy. Okay. So you do need to register for this event for the prizes. And the registration is just your name, your address, your email, so that when you do win, we can ship that out to you right away. Excuse me. And then let's see, what else? What else? I don't think there's much more. Ditzy and I have lives. So I posted there. She goes live most Tuesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern, and I go most Fridays at 9 p.m. Eastern. Kupaki Jenny, she usually jumps on with us from time to time. So does Amy Small. But they also have Instagram. So go check them out as well. And then we will start to post the sponsors as we get further into January. So you'll know who we're supporting, what small businesses we're supporting. And I'm super, super excited. So please, please, please join us for Small But Mighty, February 1st through the 28th. Spread the news because we would love to see those minis flood the social media platforms and give those big paintings a run for their money. So thank you so much. More information to come. Lots of links down in the description for you to check out. And I'm super excited to see you soon. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.